Hey everyone, welcome to Build Your Dream Fridge. Choose between this or that to fill up your ultimate fridge. Let's see what you pick. Which one are you choosing? Pick your favorite. What goes into your fridge? Left or right? Make your choice. This or that? What's your pick? Left or right, you decide. Which one are you taking? Still room for more treats? Which one looks more delicious? What are you grabbing first? Would you choose this or that? Tell me which one is a must-have. Which treat are you picking? Which one goes in your fridge? Pick your favorite. This or that? Make your choice. This or that? Yum, chill dip. Tough choice. Which one is it? Exotic fruit, this or that? Which one can't you resist? Which snack is making it into your fridge? Yum, bakery treat. Chilled dessert jars, this or that? What's your pick? Which one are you choosing? Sweet cream topping, yum! Healthy hydration drink, this or that? What goes into your fridge? Beat the heat. Which ice cream goes in your fridge? Which one looks more delicious? This or that? Time for something cold, this or that? Still room for more treats? Time to pack some protein. Which one are you picking? Healthy and fresh, this or that? Time for breakfast, this or that? What are you grabbing first? Snack time, this or that? Which one goes in your fridge? What's your pick? Which one are you taking? Craving Korean flavors, this or that? Make your choice. Wow, your dream fridge is ready. Tell us your picks in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye.